I don't know how this happened. Apparently I'm racing.
Fraser Valley Auto Mall, baby!
We're outside Fast Tracks in Langley, and here in this giant F350, it's Jazz from Abbotsford, Mazda.
What's in the coffee?
Just coffee.
We're in the Talladega room.
Hey, sir, Aaron.
Here a bit early.
I'm Nick. I'm a technician at Open Wheel Toyota Abbotsford. Been there about a year and a half, and I'm super excited to go for a race on this track.
What's your name?
Dominic.
Like Dominic from like Fast and Furious?
There you go, see? Exactly. Camera shot. Camera shot.
As you take a selfie?
No, I did not take a selfie.
You took a selfie.
Here's my proof. Now we got a selfie. Selfie time.
So what's your name?
Ritz.
Who are you with?
Mazda.
Y'all come ready to go, don't you?
course.
Every single time.
Be safe.
Come on.
Once this video is over, feel free to head back. Just behind me next to the claw machine is the door. The helmets are just outside your guys' party room door. Stay safe and have fun, everyone.
You guys ready to race?
Yep.
Can anything fit you?
I got a small head, but a big brain though.
Outtake right there.
Oh, there you go, this fits.
I don't know how this happened. Apparently I'm racing.
My name is Renveer, but you'll see me on the board as Dr. Banks. I am not a doctor. You're Nick, right? And you're Nick as well? Nick with the white helmet brought his own helmet, so I'm expecting a really good result here. And of course, I am biased. I have to cheer for Saj, who's in the last place as of right now, but I expect that to change, all right? I need a number one finish from you.
Murray TF.
Abbotsford Mazda.
Abbotsford Nissan.
Open Road Toyota.
Honda. Kia.
Representing Honda.
Murray GM.
Oh, we're doing this, baby.
Fraser Valley Auto Mall, baby.
So they're going, this last heat is lowest to fastest, I guess.
I was definitely sabotaged. All these other racers were definitely threatened by my presence on that track. You saw what happened. You saw what happened.
I saw that crash. That's perfect. Like you hit it.
She never wants to be on camera, like ever. So I'm just like photobomb.
We're based on speed. We now have our pole position going into the final race. Of course, the winner of this race wins the detail package from Reaper Customs. You guys have all passed me at some different point in the last few races, and I hate you for it. But really happy you guys all came out. And then after this is over, we'll award our winner, and we'll eat some pizza, and then we'll go home. So thanks for being here. You guys are awesome. Yeah. Big thank you to Fast Tracks here in Langley, as well as Reaper Customs for our big prize. So, and thanks to all you guys from the Fraser Valley Auto Mall.
Yeah.
Yeah.
What happened? We won the last lap.
What happened out there? We're live to TikTok. So.
No, we're live on TikTok?
Yeah, right now.
Oh my God, we're live on TikTok.
I do a lot of track riding with motorcycles.
Oh, okay.
So that's what this is from.
What's the strategy?
Just go fast.
Go into those corners hard, make sure you're blocking people, make sure they're not passing you, making better times, and then sneak up on behind them, draft up on the leaders, and so that you pass them the corners.
My strategy is to come first or last. That is it, but that's not gonna happen. It's just gonna be first.
Drive faster than everyone else.
That works.
I mean, I'm first right now, but if you're gonna do it the right way, do it the Honda way.
Woo! When I'm going to Disney World.
Is it funny that both commentators are back to back and we both made it?
That, I don't know, or maybe it's planned. Oh,
We're doing this, baby.
what's your strategy?
Pedal to the metal the whole time. Do not let go. And we're gonna do this.
Come on, let's go, Matthew. Let's go, Matthew. Let's go, Sahaj. Yeah, let's go. Jazz from Abbotsford Mazda, so slow. And he's like, he's bald, but it doesn't affect anything in this situation. Oh! You guys ready for this? Yeah. In third place, representing the Honda Way, we've got Matty G in third place. Matty G, third place. In second place, representing Open Road Toyota, we got Nick.
Yeah. Thank you.
And in first place, winning the Reaper Customs detail package, representing the Honda Way, we got Nick.
Honda way! The right way!
The Honda Way.
Great job, guys. Thank you. Thank you. That was awesome.